In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a group on ClickUp, enabling you to collaborate more effectively with your team members. Let's begin by launching ClickUp, which you can access through your preferred web browser. Once you're inside ClickUp, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll see your profile name prominently displayed. This is usually located at the top of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This action opens a drop-down menu that provides various options for managing your ClickUp experience. Now that you've accessed the drop-down menu, you'll need to click on Settings. This crucial step ensures you have all the necessary options to make adjustments to your team settings. With the settings window open, look for the Teams option in the sidebar. Click on Teams to access the area where you can manage existing teams or create new ones. If you're following along, you'll notice this step puts you in a position to bring your team members together within ClickUp. Once you're in the Team section, you'll see an option to Create a Team. Go ahead and click this to begin the process of adding a new group. You might want to think carefully about the name of your team at this stage. Take a moment to consider a name that reflects the purpose or function of the group you're creating. This makes it easier to manage and identify within ClickUp. After deciding on a name that suits your group's mission or project, type it in where prompted. After typing in your team name, the next step is to save your new team. Simply click on the Save button, and just like that, your team is officially created within ClickUp. This is a pivotal moment as your team is now recognized on the platform, setting the foundation for collaborative work. The process doesn't end with creating a team. You'll need to add members to make your team functional. Look for the Add Members option and click it. This step is crucial as it allows you to bring teammates into your group. You'll be prompted to enter email addresses of the individuals you wish to add. Be meticulous while entering this information to ensure everyone receives an invitation to join the team. Enter each member's email and, once completed, your team is ready to start working together on ClickUp. With these steps, you've successfully added a group on ClickUp, making it easier to assign tasks, track progress, and collaborate effectively. Embrace the power of teamwork and enjoy the streamlined workflow ClickUp has to offer. Thank you for watching and happy team building.